Hey guys, Cutterup Rob here. Had a couple guys ask about putting a 12 valve head on a 6.7 block, so I thought I'd do up a video on it. It's just easier to explain it that way. So 6.7 head. That's just, I got a 5.9 gasket, or a 12 valve gasket sitting on it. 5.9 head with a 6.7 gasket. So I personally never done it with a multi-layer head gasket. I've always used this style or a 12 valve gasket. You could do a multi-layer gasket for a 12 valve, I guess, if you wanted to. But when you set that on there, all of the holes line up. Now, a little bit controversial as far as some guys want the steam holes drilled. I've done it both ways, never had an issue. The only thing that I do recommend if you're leaving the steam holes there is that you want to add a little tiny bit of silicone around there on the gasket, because the gasket doesn't have a sealing surface on it. So other than that, that's really pretty much it. Not really rocket science. So like I said, if you want to drill these holes, you can drill the steam holes in there. All you have to do is literally just drill the steam holes, mark them and drill them. But then if you're going to do that, then you need to have a gasket that accepts the steam hole. I guess you could drill a gasket through here. The one on my race truck is not drilled for the steam hole, so I guess we'll find out. Now it is fire ringed, so I don't think you're going to have a problem with that, but I guess we'll find out in a short period of time whether we're going to have an issue with it. I haven't yet, but after we drive it some and do some dyno runs and hit the track with it a bunch, then I guess we'll find out what's what. Anyways, it's a short one on that, but thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment down below.